right, so we're gonna change the battery on this Chevy Silverado, and you might be thinking, well, it's a battery, it's super simple. Well, Chevy in their infinite wisdom decided to add all this extra stuff. I had to look it up myself just to figure out how to do it. So you can see they even got cables going on the top, boom. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this. It's pretty easy still do it yourself, but I'll show you what you have to do. So the first thing you gotta do is we're gonna take this bar out and this bar out, which seems crazy, but it's really not. There's a bolt there, and then you got one on each side of that. So we're gonna do that first. So we got everything put back. It probably wasn't the best filming. We're gonna start it now. But that was it. That was probably one of the worst. There you go. All right, so I don't know if I would really want to do that again, but it's definitely doable. You can definitely do it yourself. It was kind of a pain though, to be honest. It was kind of a pain. That was probably one of the worst battery changes I've had to do, but you can definitely do it, so boom.